Hey there! Are you looking for a way to make some extra cash from the comfort of your own home? Well, you're in luck. Want to make up to $150 per hour just by typing? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine earning money simply by using your typing skills. With just a computer and an internet connection, you could start generating income today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your free time into cash. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to make some extra money, this could be perfect for you. But before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We regularly share tips and tricks to help you maximize your earnings. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. We want to tailor our content to help you find the best opportunities available in your area. Now let's dive into the details. So, how can you make this happen? It's simpler than you might think. Let me introduce you to Daily Transcription, a platform where you can work as a transcriptionist. This means you'll be converting audio and video files into written text. Daily Transcription offers transcription and translation services in over 30 languages. Daily Transcription provides services to entertainment, corporate and legal industries and academic institutions. They welcome everyone, from seasoned pros to newbies just starting out in transcription. You'll need to type at least 60 words per minute, have great listening skills, a strong grasp of English, and be able to hit tight deadlines. You can visit the Daily Transcription website to view all available jobs. The variety of projects means you'll never get bored. You'll get paid per hour for each audio or video transcript you complete. This means the more you work, the more you earn. Payments range per hour, depending on the project's turnaround time. Faster turnaround times often mean higher pay rates. All your earnings will be credited to your account balance. You can keep track of your earnings and see how much you've made over time. And the best part, they pay weekly by check, but if you're outside the US or Canada, they can figure out other payment options for you. It's that simple. You can start earning money right away and see the results of your hard work. So, what are you waiting for? This is a great opportunity to turn your typing skills into cash. Turn your typing skills into cash today. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. In the end, share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers and learning about your success stories. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you next time. Stay tuned for more exciting opportunities.